Shift in a second.
Okay, you're gonna go next. I'm gonna film you. And now I'm gonna go full force around the corners.
What?
When you go next, I'll film you. Are you videoing or?
Yeah, I'm videoing right now.
Come
Hey,
on,
look
buddy!
up. This is my camera I just got.
What?
I just got this my new camera. Sony.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Got that at Shoppers, didn't you?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Good deal. Okay, Quinn.
Let's try. We're all gonna take turns. We're gonna put this on Facebook for sure. Oh, it's still.
Drive up the hill.
I like go up the hill and I like pull it up. You're gonna get it stuck. Bring it over here. Oh man.
That was awesome.
Is this a 65?
It is 90.
Nice.
Looking awesome.
Why do people fall off it? Man, I went out of the corners.
No, I see something wrong over there. I hit a big whole patch of ice.
The throttle gets stuck there almost. It's awesome.
Yeah, then my throttle got stuck.
Yeah.
Let's go through the snow.
I don't know if you wouldn't want it too deep.
What?
You wouldn't want it too deep.
Not. It's broken anyway.
What?
It's pretty broken anyway.
I know.
Ask him if we could do it.
Well, we wouldn't be able to go through stuff like that. You'd stop after 2 seconds.
Going through the hill.
Okay, biatch.
No helmet, bitch. I'll be right back. I gotta get something else.
Okay.